Nail Polish Gel Remover Tools Starter Set Nail Gel Polish Remover Tools, 10 PCs 10 PCs Gel Nail Polish Remover Finger Clips plus 1 PCs 100 ml acetone dispenser pump bottle, 500 PCs lint-free nail wipes plus 1 PCs Triangle Cuticle Peeler Scraper plus Purple Nail Clean Brush, Cuticle Remover Gadgets, 1 PCs Double-ended Cuticle Pusher, and Nail Care Tools, 4 PCs Nail File Emery Board plus 4 PCs Sponge Buffer plus 1 PCs 404,000 Grit Polish Buffer plus 15 ml Lemon-scented Cuticle Oil. Easy Remove Gel Polish, just only 6 steps: grind, wrap, clip, scratch, polish, moisturize. The tools you need for each steps are included. Remove gel nail polish easily without going to salon. Gel remover, cuticle remover, and nail care, build for you your one-stop solution. Nail gel polish remover. Just slowly sand down the top layer of gel, soak the liner with acetone, wrap the nail and clip on the plastic shell. Wait 15 to 20 minutes for the polish to soften. Use the included scraper to remove the softened polish. Only 4 steps: grind, wrap, clip, scratch, remove nail polish gels easily, picking off your gels and no destroying your nails. Save your time and save your money. Cuticle remover. Double-ended cuticle pusher and cutter perfectly push the skin back flawlessly. Nail care. After buffering and polishing nails, place a small amount of oil at the base of the nail and along the sides and then gently rubbing it in. Teenitor cuticle oil is absorbed into matrix of the nail and surrounding skin. Top reviews from the United States. A complete must-have kit for gel nails. This kit was a reasonably priced set that contained all she needed to begin experimenting. First, the blocks and files are ideal for removing the top coat to penetrate down to the polish. They also work well for nail prep when reapplying.